Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Once again, back at the big spillway. Very short video because I don't have that much to like. I don't know, personally I kind of like these shorter videos for me because they're easier to edit. And we're just gonna see what we can get with some worms. Hopefully we'll get a couple crappie. I'm not sure though. You never know. There's a lot of stuff in here. Carp, crappie, bass, bluegill, green sunfish, all of that. Catfish, you know. So we're gonna see what we can get here. Got just some night crawlers. There we go. Got a little piece of worm. Just like that. Got one already. What is this? I literally 2 seconds within from starting filming, I got what I was looking for, which I think is gonna be a catfish. Not sure though. Let's see. Yep, cat. There we go. That is a good one. Honestly, they don't get much bigger than this on worms. He has super long whiskers. Look at that, guys. Dang, that is so cool. See you later, buddy. First fish of the day, a channel. Filming another video. I don't know. Tell me, got one. Tell me if you guys like the NASCAR videos, comment below. I just put them out there because sometimes they can help people like identify the cars and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, that is such a tiny one. Look at that, guys. Oh, here. He's saying you should subscribe. That guy's super fat, but there we go. There we go. Got the light on. Now I can see a bit better. Oh, that's a better one, guys. Dad! I got a really good one. He's swimming in. Oh, guys, this is a nice one. Oh, yeah. Hear that drang. Oh, yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, my gosh. Holy crap. There we go, guys. Little nighttime catfishing. How about that? He's hooked on the bottom of the lip. He's hooked twice. He was not getting off. There we go. Let's get a quick thumbnail, possibly. Little nighttime cat. That's a nice channel. Give it all of 13 inches. Perfect. If you like pan fishing, this is great for it. Plus it makes these small catfish trees like giant bass and stuff like that. Let's see what we got here. A really tiny white catfish. Look at how tiny that guy is. Look at the shadow he makes. It makes it feel like a giant one. Or look like one. Oh, that's a better one, guys. That's a better one. How to get him out of this spillway. I don't know if I can loosen the drag. That might be a better one. Oh, yeah. Not the biggest. Probably second biggest of the day. Let's let you go. See you later, buddy. caught one. Ooh, what the heck? Whoa. Whoa. Guys. Listen to that. It's always a good sound that you want to hear. Dang. Is it a catfish? It is a catfish. Get up here. Ooh, it's a big white catfish. Ooh, it is a... Got slime all over my pants. He's biting me. Watch this. See that? He gripped onto me. He didn't want to be let go. Do I have one? Oh, he was stuck up on the wall. There you go. Really tiny baby one. See you later, buddy. Got him. Well, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. It's too dark to see. I'm hungry. My dad's hungry. So, yeah. It was a okay day. Not the best, not the worst. Make sure to like, subscribe. Watching everything through is better than you liking and subscribing because it puts it on the algorithm, like always. And we'll give this guy a really cool release. So, peace. Like he said, peace.